Welcome to LartAI. If this is your first time on the platform, this video is made for you. In today's tutorial, you'll learn first, how to use the image generation and video generation features. Second, how to write effective prompts for images and videos. Third, how to use the editing tools for post-processing your images and videos. And finally, I'll give you a quick tour of a few special features on our platform. Let's dive right in. Open the LartAI website and click Login Fuin Register in the top right corner to sign up. Then you'll land on the main dashboard. Now let's start with the most core feature, image generation. Click Image Generate on the home page to enter the generation workspace. In the Advanced Settings panel on the right, you can select the model, upload a reference image, and adjust the ratio and resolution. Also, just below the input bar, there is a Create Similar feature. Click it to browse sample images. And when you find a style you like, you can grab the matching prompt instantly. Here is an image I generated. I'll show you exactly how I made it and how I wrote the prompt. I selected GPT Image 2, set the ratio to 3:2 and quality to high. If you upload a reference image, the AI will closely follow its composition and style. The operation is straightforward. The real key is how you write your prompt. We recommend a 4-element template, subject plus style, plus scene fori, background plus quality tags. For this image, here is the prompt I used. Who, what style, what environment, how high the quality. Get these 4 points down clearly, and your results will be consistent. If you're not sure how to write a prompt, our platform has a prompt completion feature. Just type a few keywords, click the paintbrush icon button, and the AI will polish your prompt into something much more complete. Now that you've got images down, go back to the home page and click Video Generate. The right sidebar works the same way. You can select a model and adjust your settings. Each model has a short description below, it telling you what it is best at. Here's the key part. What is the difference between a video prompt and an image prompt? One sentence. A video prompt adds one extra dimension compared to an image prompt. Time. An image only needs to describe a single frozen moment, but a video needs to describe what changes over a period of time, how the subject moves, how the camera moves, and how long the whole thing lasts. So the video template has 6 elements: subject plus action, food emotion, plus camera language, plus pacing, plus quality tags, based on the image we just generated. Here is how I wrote the video prompt. Compared to the image prompt, this one adds 3 things: action, camera movement, and pacing with duration. That is the time dimension. You are telling the AI what changes happen over the course of the clip. If you need to make adjustments to your generated output, click the AI Creation toolbar on the left. You'll find 2 sections inside: Image Toolkit and Video Toolkit. Let me highlight 2 features from Image Toolkit. The first is in Paint. If there is an element in your image that you don't want, just brush over it and the AI will automatically fill in a natural-looking replacement. The second is Remove BG. One click removes the background, perfect for product cutouts or profile pictures. The other tools, Upscale, Edit, and Erase, are all very intuitive. Feel free to explore them on your own. In Video Toolkit, the most useful feature is Motion, which lets your character's movements follow those of a character in a reference video. You'll also find Upscale for enhancing video resolution and Combine for merging multiple clips. Finally, I want to give you a quick look at 3 special features on our platform. The first is Creative Agent. If you have no idea how to write a prompt or you are unsure about a creative direction, you can let the agent handle everything from concept to generation. Think of it as your AI creative assistant, especially helpful if you are just getting started with AI content creation. The second is Smart Canvas. This is a workflow canvas where you can bring together multiple generation tasks, editing steps, and reference images all in one place, like building blocks for your creative process. If you want to learn more, we have a dedicated tutorial video for it. The third is Cine Studio. This one is designed for more professional video work. If you need finer editing control, multi-shot sequencing, or cinematic level output, this is the place to go. Alright, that covers the complete beginner's workflow on LartAI, from image generation all the way to video generation. You've learned how to use the generation features, how to write effective prompts, how to work with the editing tools, and you've gotten a look at a few of our platform's special features. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and follow.